this ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight.
So we removed the big slide out cooker and sink. It's all metal, massive runners. Cast iron here, we just chuck it in the back of the car for now. Because I don't need that. And look at the space we got here. Massive now. You can sleep in there. Mounting the inverter. Got screws in the bottom, but we put bolts in the top. It's turning out to be a bit tricky because you need a person on this side. One inside and one outside. But be a lot stronger with bolts on the top. A bit of force there in the corrugations and things, so we figured bolts on the top's a better job.
So the trick with this is to cut through enough without actually cutting the cable. You just want to score the insulation.
So this is dual wall too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's 2 layers of insulation.
Yeah, right.
Orange layer gone, and a white layer.
It should be scored off. No, just want to get around.
There we go. What you're going to do is squeeze that into the hole now in the terminal.
Oh, life's missions, isn't it?
I'm not commenting. Look at that.
Beautiful, all the way to the end.
Excellent. Okay. We're going to put a crimp terminal on the end of 95mm squared cable. I think it's actually as thick as the rope that holds the harbour bridge together. Or maybe the Manly ferry. Put some force on there. Hydraulic crimping tool. I've been doing that with my little hand job. Come out right to the edit that bit out. Note to self.
Roll however you want to roll, man. Just don't include me.
That's not coming out. And just keep working it, do you? Just keeps going in a bit more each time.
Just do it pretty firm and then just go back and then just cinch it up again.
Look at that. Oh, there's a few burrs on it, does it?
Just some balls. Oh, yeah.
Bit of red stuff. You got red on one end, got to put red on the other end too, don't you?
Yep.
The heat shrink. Nice. Job done.
So this is not the dual wall in the red. You have it in the size. It's just the dual wall and it's just thicker and it's got a resin inside, so it
Yes.
helps fuse it better.
I don't think you really need the dual wall if it's inside. If you're out in the weather, I
Yeah.
think. Under the bonnet or somewhere, the dual wall is probably the go. And saying that, I don't ever use dual wall everywhere.
I try and use it everywhere.
Perfect. Done. Adding in a dual USB outlet beside the bed, in between the beds I should say. It took to get that cable up through there from back over here, and under there's like a duct runs through there. Took me nearly 2 hours just to get the cable through from there to there. The old 5-minute job. Here's the dual wall heat shrink, which has the glue on the inside. A little bit more expensive, but doesn't good for outside, but I just use it inside as well. Makes a good waterproof seal, and it never comes off. Okay. Yeah. So there we have it. 4 USB outlets. One, two, three, four. Only 2.1 amperes, but that'll be alright. Just slow charge in between the beds.